those are the heels.
Can we video for them?
Uh-huh.
Here, put them on.
Scandalous.
Put them on.
Oh, okay. Walk around like a cool elf person. Oh, no, tall.
They're really comfortable. A model.
Sarah's putting them on. Ooh, your calves look good.
So look like Tyra. In socks. The Katie style. Shut up, buddy. Love you. Oh, look at this. Zoom in on those. Look at those legs. Look at them. Oh, look at the face. Look at the face. Look at the face. Hate the camera. Hate the camera. Look at that. That's ferocious. Give me your blue steel.
Katie.
That's cute. What would Tyra do?
Fierce, girl. Fierce. I am Black Bobby.
Fierce. Hate the camera. And the hanger comes with it too. Do the stanky leg.
Do the stanky leg. Do the stanky leg. Hi, Budgie. Hi, Budgie.
You're so cute.
Okay. Leave it now. Get in there. Get in there. Yeah.
Yes! Our creation.
Prairie dog.
Bieber! Besides, we got the Tinkerbell.
Okay, we have. I did that one. Think about here.
And then we have the lacrosse. I did that.
Lacrosse.
Yeah.
There.
And then the back. Bam! Beavertown.
Bam.
And then we got some prairie dogs. That's the sound they make.
Just tickle spot.
Like,
Katie, look at this tickle spot. I used to tie my Barbie's hair.
the fan?
Yeah, and their heads would pop off. What are you guys doing? Look at my bras.
Oh. Looking at you.
This is for you, Haley.
I'm down. Oh yeah, like the inflatable thing is getting shitty. Box it out! Box it out! Ah! She bit me! You're gonna box it! Oh my god. My butt? I have like a bite mark? Are you a vampire?
Nope.
He's a chihuahua. She said no. I don't know what no means.